there something going on with that house that you want to tell me?
I don't know.
Okay, well,
I'd tell you everything I know.
Okay, I don't like secrets.
Yeah, me neither.
At all.
I don't bullshit and I don't beat around the bush. I'm just telling you straight up why we're here, what's going on. He's concerned.
One of the most frustrating aspects of being a police officer in an area that is overrun with crime, illegal drugs, and prostitution is that you have to watch people walking down roads of their lives that you know they will never make it back from. Today's video is unfortunately an example of that. On October the 6th, 2023, officers were called to check on Miss Danielle Wooten. She was described as suffering from mental illness, drug addiction, and she was also a victim of human trafficking. The officers in the area spoke to Danielle on many occasions and offered her help. Sometimes she accepted the help, but usually she did not. One of the things you see very often as an officer is that taking someone like Danielle to the hospital, unfortunately, doesn't get you anywhere. Because even if you place her on a 72-hour hold, the doctor on duty can and often does override that with a swipe of his pen. Unfortunately, this story ends in tragedy, just like so many others do. Danielle Lynn Wooten, Danny, age 30, passed away unexpectedly on Monday, April the 1st, 2024. She was born on May 21st, 1993 in Columbus, Ohio, to Danny R. Wooten and Donna Tolson. Danny graduated from West High School, where she played soccer and softball. She was very creative and loved to sketch designer clothing. She also worked at Central Point Shopping Center, where she would model clothing. She loved wearing pretty clothes with combat boots. Danny was funny and silly, but still tough, growing up with 3 older brothers. I'm sharing Danny's story and this video of her as a message to everyone out there, especially young girls, as a warning. Do not start down that road. Once you do, it's almost impossible to come back from. These drugs do not make you more fun. They do not make you prettier. They will only bring pain and darkness into your life. Don't do this to your family.
What's your name, Danielle? Mind if I talk to you real quick?
Yeah, but I gotta go get a ladder first. Is that cool?
Can I just talk to you real quick?
Yeah.
Okay,
Sure.
come on, stand over here.
Okay.
81, I got her at Midland and Sullivan. What's going on today?
I got a new house.
What's that?
I got a new house.
Where's that at?
Me and my brother.
Where?
Around the corner. This has been like really crazy. But yeah, I got a new house.
What's crazy?
How happy I am.
Okay. Are you suicidal at all?
No.
Are you seeing things?
Nope.
Talking to people that aren't here?
Nope. I'm just trying to get a lighter for my cigarette. I got stress.
Okay. So, you know Ted?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. He's out here looking for you, as I'm sure you know.
Okay. He found them?
Did you know that?
Yeah.
Okay. So why would he call us saying he's concerned for you?
I don't know. Call him and see.
Okay.
Okay.
Just give me 1 second. Why are you crying?
I'm just happy.
Okay. Yeah, step up here. Hey Ted, this is Officer. Good. Hey, I have her at Sullivan, Midland. Do you want to swing by here if you're still in the area? It's up to you. It does not matter either way. She's telling me everything's fine. She's saying she's not suicidal at all. She's pretty calm right now. She started crying for no reason, but said she's crying because she's happy because they just got a new house. Okay, yeah, we're right at the intersection, basically, just north of. Okay. Okay, sounds good. You can sit down if you want. He's gonna come, just say hi to you. And...
Can I go get a lighter?
I don't have a ladder, I'm sorry.
Okay. What?
You can wait a couple minutes, right?
Yeah.
Been using drugs today? It's okay, I'm just curious.
Is there something going on with that house that you want to tell me?
I don't know.
Okay, well,
I'd tell you everything I know.
Okay, I don't like secrets.
Yeah, me neither.
At all.
I don't bullshit and I don't beat around the bush. I'm just telling you straight up why we're here, what's going on. He's concerned. He's concerned about you. Maybe rightfully so. I don't know. You seeing something?
I daydream.
What are you seeing?
The cars.
Oh.
Stop!
Oh.
God!
He's
I
gonna
can't
swing
smoke
by.
a cigarette.
The lighter?
That's sad. Yeah, you got one?
I don't.
Oh, okay. Shoot, I was gonna be like, cool. I'll be happy.
So how long you? What's that?
I'm happy. I'm happy. Can I be happy?
Yeah.
God.
You're allowed to be happy.
Everybody's always like annoying me.
I'm happy
Do
for
you have
you.
a lighter? Do you have a lighter? Oh. Do you have a lighter? Do you have a lighter? I wish you had a lighter right now.
Yeah. So, how long you been using? That's just a question. I'm just asking. Trying
Honestly,
to get to know you.
I don't really want to discuss that.
Okay, that's perfectly fine. Sounds like you got people that care about you and want to help you. And obviously you know where this road was.
Just win. Just win, or you're gonna cut me a break. Just win.
What did I do? What did I do?
Win.
I'm not doing anything to you.
Ew. Oh my God, I can't stand it. Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
You want to talk to me, or?
Yes.
Okay.
You already know that I got a house and I want to smoke a cigarette. That's all I have to talk about. My temper's bad. Everybody knows Danielle and Wooten. What do I gotta do?
I don't know.
Anything else?
I don't know.
You drive me cuckoo.
I'm just talking to you, and
I
you're.
don't want to talk. I want a cigarette for like 10 minutes now. I know.
Okay.
I'm not stupid. You're fake. Everybody's fake. When am I going to be happy and be able to say I'm happy? This is psychotic. God help me. Help you. God. I'm never going to be happy. Oh, it's so annoying. I need a cigarette.
I'm sure he can help you out once we get you out of here, okay?
I'm a liar. I did everything right. I did nothing wrong. What do you want me to say?
She said she's not
I just
suicidal
want
or
to smoke a
anything like
cigarette.
that. Just
Can I
wants
go
a
now?
cigarette. She's not like overtly saying things, but she's like looking
Thank
around.
you. Thank you so
but-
much.
Do you want to go with?
Yeah. Yeah, I do, but I need a cigarette.
Well, I'm sure he can help you
Lighter.
out.
Officer, nice to meet you, okay? You do not roll me. You don't roll me.
Chat with him real quick. I'll see if I can get her lunch. Let me check my lunch pail. Whatever. You all right, girl? Oh, stay right here for me. I don't like when you get behind me.
Sorry.
I like you, but I don't know you.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
There's a lighter over there to the store.
Sad?
Okay.
You got money to buy one?
Lighter at the store.
How much is it?
$1.
$1? Okay. Hey.
Yeah. I'm settling down, I know.
Alright.
I just get excited.
Do you want to talk to anybody?
Oh, we're not talking about a cigarette.
I know.
I'm having a nicotine fit. I don't understand why you're beholding me. I'm gonna go to get a lighter now.
Okay.
Respectfully.
You don't want to talk to anybody at the hospital or nothing?
Not right this moment. Cigarette, lighter, then I can go to my next step.
Okay.
Thank you
All right.
so much.
No problem.
Thank you. I'm just gonna go get a cigarette. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Alrighty. Love you, dear.